You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this word and more confusing vocabulary many mispronounce in English, so stay tuned to the channel to learn more and become part of the community. 2 different ways of pronouncing it in English. British English, say it as withdraw, withdraw. Actually, withdraw, withdraw. Stress on the second syllable, withdraw. Now in American English, it's normally said as withdraw, withdraw, withdraw in American English, or withdraw in British English. Did you get the difference? Let me know in the comments. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate the support, and more videos for you here to learn more. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.